Hey there, in this tutorial I want to show you how binary search works and how to implement it in Typescript. If you enjoy videos about programming, please consider subscribing to my channel. How does the binary search work? This algorithm has one requirement, and that is that the array is sorted. Okay, let's say we are searching for 5 in this array. The first step is to declare our boundaries. So we start with all values. So our left index is here and the right index is here. Then we select a mid value. So we have 8 values here and we're gonna select the upper one. So 777 is our mid index. Next, we check if this value is equal to our search value. If not, we gonna check if the value is smaller or bigger than our search value. If it is bigger, we know the value can't be in this side. So we can basically ignore this and set this boundary to our mid index -1. So now we only have 4 values left, and we again select the mid value, in this case 7, and we check if those two are equal. They are not, and 7 is bigger than 5. So we know we can adjust our right, and we know that we can ignore those two. And our right index is here, and our left index stays here. Next, we select our mid value. In this case, it is 5, and we found our index. Okay, so let's start by declaring the left boundary and right boundary. And create a result variable which is -1, and we return it. And if we don't find anything, the return value will be -1. Next, we create a while loop, and we loop as long as left is smaller or equal to right, and we calculate our mid index, which is left plus right minus left divided by 2, and we round that because we want the next whole number. And we check if our mid value is equal to our search value, and if so, we found the index and can break the while loop. Else we check if the value is bigger or smaller. If it is bigger, we update our right index. And if it is smaller, we update our left index.